Hey guys, my name is Jana and welcome to my channel, Fierce and Feisty Bullseye. Today we're going to talk about the products and tools that you will need when it comes time to clean your gun. Cleaning and lubricating your firearm is essential for safety, reliability, and longevity. Removing that dirt, grime, and other lovely stuff prevents malfunctions, while proper lubrication reduces wear, and then regular maintenance ensures consistent, accurate performance every time you shoot. Okay, so here's going to be a pretty normal setup for the gun cleaning. I really like to use these like little, I guess you could call them a shower caddy. I'm pretty sure I got it at the dollar store for literally $1 because it keeps everything kind of organized and clean. But we'll go ahead and we're just going to start with the basics. And so the first thing that I typically like to use is I like to use these gloves. And they have the reason I like them is because they've got little tiny like bumps on them, so it gives you some texture, so you can actually like not just slip around, and it actually gives you a little bit of a grip. But I really like these gloves when I'm using them. A lot of people might not even wear gloves. You honestly don't need to, but in my personal opinion, I also like to protect my hands and these gloves really do help. So I have a whole bunch of these literally sitting up in the cabinet. Then the first thing that usually once I tear down a pistol is I like to blow out any actual loose particles. So just a can of compressed air works really well for that. Obviously, paper towels is also going to be key as well. Paper towels is definitely something that you are going to want, especially to clean up your mess. I would also recommend probably not doing this inside your house. However, if you like the smell of hoppies, then go for it. That's fine. Me personally though, no, I don't like the smell of gun cleaner in my house, and so I will do these out on my tech mat, which is what you guys see here. This tech mat is sitting on my workbench, and I have a specific area that I like to do all of my gun cleaning and gun maintenance. Obviously, one of the number one things that you're going to need is going to be some kind of a gun cleaner. There are definitely different types. Hoppies is definitely our go-to when it comes to gun cleaner. I will also have a bore cleaner as well. So this is also Hoppies. It's a bore cleaner. I spray it on the bore snake. You will want different sizes, but the bore snake itself is going to be, this one is for 9mm, but the bore snake has little tiny like prickly things on it to kind of help really dig out any grime that's inside your barrel. And this is definitely something I would recommend is a bore snake. If you have a 22, make sure that you get one that's actually meant for your 22, but in general you need to make sure that your bore snake is meant for the caliber that your gun is. So then on top of that, so we have regular gun cleaner Hoppies, we have the bore cleaner Hoppies, and then I also really enjoy using gun scrubber by Birchwood. Gun scrubber, once I tear my gun down, I literally just douse it in this stuff out of the can, and it kind of melts away all the dirt and grime, and I love it. And so it's definitely something I recommend having in your cabinet. Now kind of moving on from the cleaners, you're going to really look into having either these little cleaning cloths that come with every single cleaning kit. You can also use paper towels. Some people will use rags. It really just depends on your preference. But one of the things that I love, absolutely love, is Q-tips. And so the Q-tips, you can literally just use your typical Q-tip, or you can use these specialized gun type Q-tips that are pointed, and they have them in all sizes. They have the smaller ones, they have the longer, taller ones. It just depends. I find that the taller ones actually break a lot easier just because there's so much stick, and so I actually end up getting these smaller ones just because it's a lot easier for me to hang on to them, but I also have smaller hands too, so there is that. But I really like to have these Q-tips just readily accessible to me, just because that is something that I use for especially deep cleaning, to really get into those grooves. When it comes to like truly doing a really, really deep clean, you're going to want some dental tools. So dental tools, you can literally just get whatever dental tools you need. I actually did get the Hoppies dental tools, which they make the cleaner that we use, but the Hoppies dental tools really, really get in and get that nastiness that's inside cracks and crevices, or anywhere that you might actually find the grossness, which you will definitely find a lot of, but that it just depends on how much you use your gun and how often you clean it. But dental tools for me are key. I use them almost every single time I clean. Oil. So again, I go with Hoppies. Hoppies is our preferred cleaner, but Hoppies gun oil is going to really be that like last step, right? You are oiling all of the pieces and parts where you need it to be oiled, and this is going to be something you should do every single time. Some people, honestly, they don't even clean. They will just go in and re-oil. Totally their recommendation, their preference. Cool. I like to usually clean my gun. I use it a lot, so I will usually clean it once every other week, just depending on how much I'm using it. But the oil itself, I will always have in my range bag, because this is something that could potentially make sure that your gun is functioning the way it should. There are a lot of different oils out there, to be honest, and there's a lot of different, like, we've gotten sample packets from SHOT Show before, like Tactical Grit, and you also have Quick Wipes, where it cleans, lubricates, and protects, which is interesting. We haven't used it before, but it is a sample that we've gotten before, and it's just another brand that's out there, basically. Most of these little kits will come also with your parts. That was sharp. We don't have anything in these two, but they're really good for kits. But it also has the rods that you would basically put together to kind of clean out your barrel. Now, the reason I don't use these is because I use a bore snake, but these are also really good kits to have, because it's basically all calibers. And you would put together all of the rods and be able to really clean out your barrel. Some people will use the rods and sticks also to clean out the rest of the gun if they're choosing to, because there's a piece on the rod that you can use. It will actually secure one of those little cleaning cloths, and you can use that to clean out the inside of your gun too. But again, it's really all based on what you choose that you would like to do. This is definitely all just my opinion and how I clean my stuff. But these little kits are pretty good, and usually they come with a dental tool like this one. It's got a nice little dental tool as well. I like to use the plastic ones. Something about metal on metal just kind of gets me a little bit. But again, your preference. And then when it comes to polishing, usually what I'll do is I have these little rags that I've gotten. Like this came from USPSA. It was just a free rag that came with my kit, and so it actually is really, really good for polishing your gun at the end, because a lot of the times what you're going to end up having is you're going to have a lot of like cleaning residue on your gun when you're done, and you want to wipe it all down. So what I do is I use my this is by Tech Mat, but it's a cleaning cloth, and it's perfect, and it's got the typical microfiber on one side and it has the polishing on the other. So I will clean up all of the oil on the microfiber side, and then I'll polish my gun with the polishing side. And this usually makes my gun look really, really good afterwards, and so I love these cloths, and we get them whenever we get a chance. So this actually is the little cleaning kit that I have in my range bag that basically has everything that I need, and I was really just wanting to show you my Optic cleaning tool. However, it's probably good to show you this as well, but you can see that I have my oils and I have my gun cleaners separated into little containers and in a bag just in case it spills. You'll also see my little wipes here. I've got some Q-tips in here, and I do have one of those cleaning rods as well if I ever needed to use it. But what I really wanted to show you guys for optics is this cleaning tool. This is actually a tool that I got from Amazon that is actually for cameras, cleaning camera lenses, and also cleaning the screens, I guess you could say, on the cameras, depending on the camera that you have. But the really awesome part is that one side is a brush, and this I use on my Optic, which I have all Hollisons, and I really, when you're cleaning your gun, you also want to make sure that you're cleaning the Optic as well, because there's all sorts of stuff that can get on your Optic. But the cool thing is it has a brush on one end, and then on the other end it's got an actual cleaning it's hard to explain, but it basically will clean the front and inside of the Optic lens. It has a little bit of charcoal on it. The charcoal is on purpose. That is used to kind of get it nice and smooth, I guess you could say, on the inside of the lens itself. And this is used for camera lenses, but I also use it for my Hollisons. And then it kind of just snaps together, and it's really neat. I like it. I like this. But this goes with my kit for when I'm out at the range. Most of the time it's going to be because there are times when you're on the range that you will need to clean your gun just to go to functions or anything like that. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on social media. I hope you have a fierce and feisty day. Welcome to my channel. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, my name is Jana and welcome to... Okay. Today we're going to talk about the products and tools that you need. Oh, so good. Yeah. And welcome to my channel, Fierce. Is fierce a word? No. Okay. Alright. And welcome to my No, I don't need to say YouTube because you're already on YouTube. Okay. Hey guys, my name is Jana. I'll be better at this.